Hey Belaras, welcome back to your go-to channel for natural skincare hacks. If you love DIY masks that actually work, you're in for a treat today. Are you struggling with stubborn acne, clogged pores, or dark spots that just won't go away? Do you want a natural remedy that can help clear your skin, tighten pores, and leave you glowing? If so, I have the perfect ingredient for you: Sidr. This ancient beauty secret has been used for centuries, and today I'm sharing a simple yet powerful DIY Sidr mask that you can make at home. Watch until the end because I'll also share the best way to use this mask for glowing, healthy skin. So, what is Sidr? Sidr is an ancient plant used in traditional beauty remedies. It's packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that deeply nourish the skin and hair. Sidr antibacterial properties help calm breakouts, control oil, and prevent future acne. It draws out dirt and impurities, making your skin look smoother and refined. Regular use of Sidr helps even out your complexion and fade hyperpigmentation. Now that you know why Sidr is amazing, let's make this simple yet effective mask. In a clean bowl, mix 1 teaspoon of ground Sidr, a natural antibacterial powerhouse that fights acne, reduces inflammation, and deeply detoxifies pores. 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, which helps soothe irritated skin, absorb excess oil, and tighten pores for a smoother complexion. 1 teaspoon milk powder, which gently exfoliates, brightens the skin, and enhances hydration for a radiant, even-toned look. 1 teaspoon yogurt, packed with lactic acid, it nourishes the skin, fights dullness, and leaves your skin feeling soft and refreshed. Finally, some rose water, balances the skin's pH, hydrates, and has antibacterial properties to prevent breakouts. Et voila! Your mask is ready to use. Using clean fingers or a brush, apply the mask evenly to your clean face, avoiding the delicate areas around the eyes and lips. Let the mask sit for 20 minutes or until it dries slightly, not completely. Gently rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your face dry. Follow up with a moisturizer to restore hydration, as this mask can be slightly drying. For the best result, use this mask up to 2 times a week. With consistent use, you'll see fewer breakouts, clearer skin, and a more even tone. Here are a few pro tips to get the most out of this Sidr mask. Always patch test first. Yes, Sidr is gentle, but it's always best to test it on a small area before applying it to your whole face. Moisturize afterwards. This mask can be slightly drying, so make sure to follow up with a hydrating moisturizer. For dry skin, add a few drops of honey for extra hydration and nourishment. And that's it, Belaras! A simple, effective DIY Sidr mask that fights acne, clears dark spots, and tightens pores. Whether you have oily, dry, or combination skin, this mask is perfect for giving you a smooth, glowing complexion. Have you tried Sidr in your skincare routine before? Let me know in the comments below. And if you'd like a full video on all the benefits of Sidr for skin and hair, drop a green heart in the comments. I'd love to share more. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more natural skincare tips every day. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay glowing. Bye!